Last night, feeling lonely and hungry, I shuffled to my fridge. As I opened the door, the light flickered and a robotic voice said, "Hey, buddy, you look like you need some dating advice." Startled, I asked, "Fridge, what do you know about dating?" The fridge replied, "Plenty. I see all your late-night snacks and ice cream breakups. Trust me, you need help." Intrigued, I asked for tips. The fridge said, "First, don't be cold. Nobody likes a chilly personality. Stay cool, but not frozen. Defrost your heart a little. Let warmth in." I nodded, intrigued. The fridge continued. "Second, don't shelf your feelings. If you bottle things up, you'll just get pickled and sour." I scribbled notes furiously. Then the fridge said, "And never let someone treat you like expired milk. You deserve to be someone's top shelf, not their leftovers." I was amazed by the wisdom. Then it added, "But above all, remember, if they can't handle you at your worst, they don't deserve you at your freshest." Feeling inspired, I closed the door until the fridge shouted, "And stop coming back for cheese at 2 a.m. That's not self-love, that's lactose denial." I laughed, realizing even my fridge had better dating sense than me.